Negosyante ka nga, pero gets mo ba yung pinagkaiba ng balance sheet, profit and loss, at cash flow statement? Being familiar with the basic financial reports like balance sheet, profit and loss, and cash flow statement enables you to have a complete picture of how your business is doing. Para kang may blueprint as you build your business. Imagine kung gumagawa ka ng bahay, tas walang blueprint, itaga mo sa bato, uuwi yan na tabi-tabingi. Ganyan din sa business. Financial statements serve as your guide kung ano na yung nagawa at ano pa yung kailangan gawin. Profit and loss tells you if may income bang na-generate yung negosyo. Balance sheet shows you kung alin ang iyo at alin yung utang mo bago kang matempt gastusin lahat ng meron ka sa business. And then cash flow statement answers the question, teka, may benta naman ako saan napunta yung pera? At lahat ng to dapat instantly available sa'yo basta number 1, maayos ang bookkeeping mo and number 2, ready to generate yung financial statements anytime sa accounting software na gamit mo. This is the power of accounting automation. And if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Lagi tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.